I'm Herb Staudinger, and my background in tooling and manufacturing has created a passion in my life that has driven me to create products and do things that can help people make their lives simpler and easier. One of the biggest issues with bathtubs is getting in and out of the bathtub safely, especially in today's day and age. Most accidents that are happening in a home happen within the bathroom environment, and the majority of those accidents, they are slip and fall related. I decided to create an either-or solution. We developed a cap that can stay in place when bathing, and that cap can be removed and stored away when not in use. We designed this product with an easy open handle system. You just push it down, and to open it, it's just a flick to have these handles pop back up. The handles were designed with a very simple open and close mechanism because we know that many of the people who will be using these products may have difficulty in opening or closing something that didn't work very easily. Our inserts are designed to go a little bit deeper into the tubs than most of the rest of our competitors. And we have now also got an extra deep and extra wide insert that takes us quite deep into what we would term a soaker tub. All of our inserts give you the ability to be able to go back and forth between shower or bath in a matter of seconds. I get a great deal of satisfaction from having created this product. We're helping a lot of people to remain in their homes longer. And we're also allowing many other people of varying ages to be safer within the bathroom environment. And we're helping a lot of people avoid slip and fall problems. It's definitely been a life-changing experience for me.